Lisa, first step is what?
To bring the 8 across.
Yeah.
So it'll be at 10 minus 8.
Very good. Now remember when you're doing algebra, you're just doing the opposites. So the positive 8 on the left becomes a negative 8 on the right. Very good. Kim, what is 10 minus 8, please? 2, great. Okay, 3x equals x plus 2. Wonderful. All right. Josh, what do we do now, please? No? Somebody help me here. What do you do next? Yeah, Lisa, go ahead.
You put the x over to the x. I don't know if it's minus.
Yeah, now is it going to be minus or plus?
Minus.
It is going to be minus. Why is it going to be minus? Okay, good. Yeah, well, 2 to flip sides, it goes the opposite, so it's minus x. And then equals 2. So 2x equals 2. Kendra, last step. How do you get x by itself? X by 2.
Interrupt for a second. I noticed a couple of you feverishly erasing everything. So some of you may have started by moving your x instead of moving your number, right? You should end up with the same answer. So I don't think that's wrong.
Okay, moving the x is fine to do first. I just sort of follow the same steps to be consistent, that's all, right? But okay, I'm going to do another algebra question. I'm going to pause on the view here. Okay, I love this question. Why don't you marry it? Maybe I will one day.
I should do this one.
Oh, Mr. Sadler. Okay, I'm going to tell you one joke and then we'll keep going. There's a stop and pauses. Can you please show off your multiplication skills on the right-hand side, please? Go ahead. Can you expand that for me, please? Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Cassie, go ahead.
9x plus 3.
Yeah.
9x plus 3 here.
It means that you take 6 multiplied by 2 and then do the same thing by negative.
Okay, so 9x plus 3, 1. All right, Cassie, you're up. What do I need to remove from the left-hand side, please? What is it?
X is on one side.
Yeah, good. I'm going to do it in 2 steps. You can do it in 1 if you want to. Well, now here's the thing, the aha moment. What does the negative 18 turn into? This is the important part to this. What does negative 18 turn into? You remember that? Positive 18. Flip this on. It's very good. So this is plus 18. Okay. Riley, what's 3 plus 18? 21. So we get 12x equals 9x plus 21. Okay, Courtney, what do I do next? Perfect. Okay. All right, Kira, what is 12x minus 9x, please? 3x. Okay, Jeremy, last step. What do I do? 5. And we're done. Okay, hopefully you're starting to feel good about algebra here. Okay, I'm going to actually hit pause once we get that copy down. I'm going to hit pause now and then we'll get a copy down. Whoa, where's my? It's going to be this one. Okay. Warm-up C says.
She sells seashells by the seashore. How much would
None.
Yeah, what? Jake? Jake out.
Okay, so Jake earns $21 per hour. Just as an aside, I'm going to hit pause here. You don't need to hear this jokes here. Jake earns $21 per hour. If he works, more than $35 hours per week, he earns time and a half. If he works more than 60, he earns double time. I'm just going to talk through it while you guys will scribble that down. Okay. Employers hate doing time and a half and double time. But the reason they do it is that because they wanted good workers. Okay, if your worker is dedicated enough to work those extra hours and you're good enough at your job to do it, you should be rewarded for it. Okay,
Is that a law? You have to give them?
I don't know. I think it's 44. I think is the number. I believe. I mean, 44 is time and a half. I shouldn't say I'm not aware. And the next one I think is 60 something. I think is what it is. Right, but if you're working like 60 hours a week, making $9 an hour, there's a problem with that. Okay, right? Like it's
That's under minimum wage.
Yeah, what is minimum wage for you guys?
10.50 or something like that.
Yeah. Okay, but anyway, though, the point is, though, that it is law. I think it's 44 is the number. Okay, but some companies, whenever I worked a job, it was hourly, not like teaching. Okay, right? But it was 37 and a half. You work over your regular time. You do it. And again, employers love it because you know what? I can work extra time every day. They'll get more work out of me. Right? I'm a good worker. They're happy with that. Okay. Employees like it. They make it for me. They do it because I want to work more hours. Right? They can make me work more hours. That's that. Okay. Let's start back just to see who paid attention on Friday. Can I get a volunteer to tell me exactly how I would find what time and a half means? What time and a half mean? It was here on Friday. Oh goodness.
Have as much as you make already.
Sort of.
Or
Anyway.
plus as much as you make already.
I'm 35. You sort of had it right there. Do you want to try and?
Plus half of what you already earned.
Hold on. So it's whatever you make.
21 times 1.5.
21 times 1.5. So we're going to say here, we're going to say his time and a half salary. Is going to be 21 times 1.5. What that is, your regular salary, which is 21. But you're exactly what you were saying with the adding up, though. I like multiplication better. So I'm just going to multiply by 1.5. Can someone please grab their calculator?
31.5.
31.
So,
Which is $31.50. Now, all of a sudden, that sounds a lot better. $31.50 an hour. I said this on the video. I don't know if anyone actually paid attention. I used to work at a job where I used to work on Christmas morning. And working on Christmas morning was depressing. You're thinking, oh boy, all my friends and family opening their Christmas gifts. The only thing that made it worthwhile was to take a look and say, hey, you know what? I'm making $30 an hour,
do
40
you get double time for Christmas
It's
or
double.
like quadruple
The
time?
place I was at, I think, was double time and a half.
Oh,
What would double time and a half be? What would that be?
times 2 times 1.5?
Times, no, not 2 times 1.5, close. Times 2.5.
Oh, right.
That's a huge, but that's a huge amount of money you'd make, right? And they're doing it because nobody wants to work Christmas. That's the thing. All right, as far as double time, I think you guys got this. Double time is just going to be 21 times 2. Equals $42 an hour. Okay. And the thing is, that's a lot of money at that point. Like nobody wants to work that much. Okay, right? Like as far as that goes, and no company will really want to stop before that. Okay, what the question is going to say is, make a table.
Bruce Power gives you a little bit.
Oh, of course they would.
Yeah, I have a friend who makes $100 an hour. Sometimes for
Yeah. Okay, if you want to put a star in a heart beside a question, I guarantee, please don't do that. I guarantee this is going to be on your first test. I love this question. Mrs. Moore, you probably remember this from 10 years ago. I love these questions. Every year these are on. I don't know why I like them so much. I figured because I like money. That's why. Okay. We're going to set this up just like a... What's that? I have the same jokes that I have.
No, you said the other day, maybe I love this question, so it's money.
I don't remember that.
It's true.
You said
It's
it.
true. Here we go, so I make a table, which is gonna be hours. And then, are you okay, can I get rid of the left board, are we okay with that? Jake, we're good on the left-hand board, I can erase that. Michaela, we're good, left-hand board's gone. I wanna leave a little, on when I make a table, always, all my rough work goes in the middle. And then just on the right-hand side, I'm gonna put down money or something like this. Right, so if you're doing this on your paper, what should happen is it should be your hours on the left-hand side, all your rough work in the middle, which is gonna be a lot, and then on the right-hand side, there will be. Please note, Mrs. Moore and I are very like form, okay? If the question does not look right, we will be unhappy. Okay, there was grade 9s. Okay, I may have paused here. So we talked about it.
So you don't have to.